Well, no rain today, but it looks like some of us could see some sprinkles. Let's go ahead and turn to CBS 42 meteorologist Alex Puckett. Alex, if we don't see rain, when's our next best chance?
Next month, that's what we're looking at this point. There's very little chance for rain tomorrow or later on into next week, but we'll break down what little chances we've got. Tonight, though, temperatures starting to drop. We're down into the 60s at this point. 61 in Jasper, 64 in Birmingham, 65 Alabaster. Gadsden, the warm spot right now, just shy of 70, but these numbers will continue to dip down into the 50s overnight tonight. Front has dived down to our south. We are mostly dry across the state. A couple of sprinkles over in northwest Alabama right now. I can't rule out, especially for parts of Marion, Winston, and Cullman counties, a brief sprinkle overnight, but for most of us, it's just going to stay dry through the rest of tonight. Again, the potential tomorrow for a couple of showers in a couple of spots, but most of us just stay dry. I'm being way overly generous putting our rain chance at 10% tonight. I don't think anybody gets measurable rain overnight. Lows drop down into the 50s, but we're back in the 80s again tomorrow. And look at how different that is from average. We're supposed to be in the low 70s this time of year, so we're running 10 degrees plus above normal, and I don't expect that to change over the next 7 days. Very warm weather in store for us as we head through the next few days. Let's talk about our rain chances. Again, not much out there, but as we head through tomorrow, end of the afternoon, there is the potential for a couple of isolated, very light showers. Most of us see nothing. If you do catch one of these showers, you're probably not going to have enough rain in the rain gauge to measure it. But I am going to mention that 10% chance of rain tomorrow. But then after that, we're dry. And it's going to be dry all the way through at least the middle of next week. Let's zoom out here as we head into Thursday and Friday. We get a front that approaches, but man, we just don't really get much out of this thing. So here's your 24-hour rainfall forecast from the Weather Prediction Center. And there's a couple of green splotches on there, but generally, I just don't expect us to see any measurable rainfall, and forecasting the exact location of where those showers pop up, not exactly an exact science. Now, totally dry Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. There's that chance for another round of rain with next week's front that approaches from the north and west Thursday into Friday. But man, this thing just kind of falls apart as it makes its way towards us, and it just stalls out, fizzles out. And so eventually we're not talking much rain. This is probably overly generous. I can't rule out an isolated shower north and west of I-59 towards the end of the week, but not enough here to really break the drought anytime soon. Warm and dry weather is the story for the next several days. For Halloween, expect it to be warm and mostly dry, and temperatures stay in the low 80s through the next 7 days. Addie.
All right, Alex.